video, our last session, we have started our lesson unit 2A. Oliver asked for more, right? And we are going to continue our lesson in page number 18. Page number 18. Actually, textbook reading is a very good habit, students. Of course, if you do that, it will yield you a very good result. Better, I hope and I expect that you do the same. So after when the board members had declared that Oliver could not do anything, and Oliver there were no expectations to them, Oliver felt very bad to be there. Actually, to be in the orphanage also, Oliver did not like it, but he went to the bed, which was very hard. He cried for a long time and he slept. Okay, and the members of his board were very wise and philosophical men. See, philosophical means believable. They will have expectations on the students. As they turned their attention to the workhouse, they discovered it was a regular place of public entertainment for the poorer classes. It was a place where they had breakfast, dinner, tea and supper all the year, round and free, where it was all play and no work. This was really a shocking state of affairs. They were of the opinion that the poor should be given only two alternatives, either to starve quickly outside the workhouse or gradually inside the house. With this view, they decided the inmates of the workhouse would be issued 3 meals of thin gruel a day with an onion twice a week. So, what actually workhouse? They used to have a workhouse. They discovered that this was an entertainment place. Means because rich people, they don't know the value of a hunger, right? See, rich people, all the every facilities they have, they don't know the value of hunger. They don't know the value of the food. They don't know the value of shelter. They don't know the value of the poor people. So, working places like orphanages will be the entertainments to them. Hey, I went to the orphanage and served food. They feel like it is a privilege, but those people, how they will suffer, you know. So, in this place where they used to be for them, see here, they used to get breakfast, dinner, tea and supper. They think that this will get breakfast, dinner, supper, tea. They thought that they provide this all. They could not provide this all. In this workhouse, what is the difference? Because they used to give them in the part of 3 meals, inside the house, outside the house. They decided the work should be 3 meals in a gruel. They used to give in a form of gruel. Gruel in the sense rice only, but rice will be like porridge. In a loose way, you know, they used to supply them. That is only the breakfast, that is only the dinner, that is only the supper. This only. That only this gruel will be given thrice a day. Only this gruel. Nothing will be given to them. And onion twice a week. Onion will be given twice a week. 2 times onion will be given. With this porridge, with this gruel, onion in a week, twice it will be given. 2 times it will be given. See, this is their daily routine. So, only for this gruel and for this onion, they were staying here. Only for this gruel and for this onion, they were staying here. Otherwise, they would have been gone. Outside, they don't get this gruel also. But inside, if they stay, at least they get that. That's what. This was their workhouse routine. They expect that rich people, breakfast, dinner, lunch, supper, everything will be, nothing will be given. Just only this gruel will be given. Gruel in the sense, a thick batter in the form of a rice or oats, it will be given. And onion will be given twice. Okay? That to shelter will be given to them. Nothing else. This is what they will provide in the workhouse. For the first 6 months after Oliver Twist was moved in, the system was in full operation. As a result, during this period, the number of workhouse inmates got smaller and the inmates themselves shrank in size and became thinner. So, what actually, due to this reason, because they supply only this. So, some children who were very thick in size, when they came to the workhouse, they become very thin. They became very thin, right? Only with this gruel, how they will become fat is not it. And 6 months passed to Oliver. 6 months he was in this workhouse. The room in which boys were fed was a large stone hall with a big copper bowl at one end, one of which master dressed in an apron for the purpose, and assisted by two women, ladled the gruel at mealtime. Of the festive composition, each boy had one basin full and no more except on occasions of great public rejoicing, when he had 2 ounces and a quarter of bread besides. So actually, what on some occasions, if any celebrations will be held, bread will be given to them. Apart from this gruel, bread will be given. Okay, it will be a big hall, and this Bumble is there now. First time Oliver had stood before the board members. He had bet him with a stick. So that Bumble, with a big large bucket, he used to put this in a copper plate. He used to keep this. Okay, whenever occasions will come, they used to give them bread. The basins never wanted washing. So the food where they keep, they will not wash. They don't wash also. The boys polished them with their spoons till they shone again. So what boys will do, they will clean them. They only will clean their plates. They will clean them. They don't clean them. When they had performed this operation, they would sit staring at the copper bowl with such eager eyes, as if they could have devoured in a big bowl itself and everything in it. At the same day, they sucked their fingers most carefully to catch up and stray splashes of gruel they might have stung Theron. But boys have generally excellent appetite. Oliver Twist and his companions suffered the tortures of slow starvation for 3 months. At last, they got so voracious and wild with hunger. So day by day, even they could not feed this grumble also. In these copper plates, when they put that, they were squeezing their fingers, boys with hunger. Even this grumble also, gruel also, they are not putting them in a proper way. When they were starving, even this gruel also is not enough. Gruel also is not enough to them, and these are making them to be suffocate more, and also they are getting suffered more and more. They are starving a lot, and they are eating the copper plate edges will be enough, so they are squeezing their fingers. Okay, and in this way when they are getting suffer, most of them students, most of his friends started complaining. See, we are suffering like that, and also Horatius want more quantity of food. Children were growing. When they were growing, definitely they need much food, right? So, who was tall for his age and had not been used to be the sort of thing, but his father had kept a small cook shop, hinted darkly to his companions that unless he had another basin of gruel per day, he was afraid he might some night happen to eat the boy who slept next to him, who happened to be a weakly youth of tender age. He had a wild, hungry eye, and believe him, a council was held. Lots were cast as to who should walk up to the master after supper that evening and ask for more, and it fell to Oliver Twist. The evening arrived. The boys took their places. The master in his cook's uniform stationed himself at the copper. His assistants ranked themselves behind him. The gruel was served up. The gruel disappeared. The boys whispered to each other and winkled at Oliver, while his next neighbors nudged him. Child as he was desperate with hunger and reckless with misery. He rose from the table, advancing to the mustard basin and spoon in hand, said, somewhat alarmed at his own courage, "Please, sir, I want some more." The master was a fat, healthy man, but he turned very pale. He gazed in stupefied astonishment on the small rebel of some seconds, and then clung for support to the copper. The assistants were paralyzed with wonder, the boys with fear. So actually, two vessels, they used to keep this gravel, right? Completely, even though the small children were suffering like that, even this person who was serving the food, he had two assistants also. They have two assistants also. So when they were starving like that, one night the boys were feeling hungry. One night the boys were feeling hungry, and they used to think for on. They used to think for on. And where was the food? 2 times. Then this chef is there. No, he was keeping that. He was hiding it. He was hiding that. He had 2 assistants, ladies, and himself. He can even that is it's a loose food only. No, they can give. No, boys were growing. They will be feeling hungry much. So the boys had told to Oliver, see, every day he was giving us less food, and the remaining food he was hiding it. So Oliver got angry one day, and the remaining boys, he did not give the food to all the people. Only half of the children they got, and the remaining half, he's saying that food is completed. Then they should be with hunger. Oliver stood. Sir, I want more food. He went and asked. The 2 assistants were ladies. They were looking him because no one would not do the dare to ask their food. Because no one did not ask their questions, sir. That's what their rule was. What? Said the master at length, in a faint voice. Please, sir, replied Oliver, I want some more. Oliver asked requestly only, sir, I want some more food. The master aimed a blow at Oliver's head with a ladle and struck aloud for the beetle. So, with a stick, by taking a stick, gave a big strike to Oliver, shouted. The board was sitting in solemn meeting. When Mr. Bumble rushed into the room in a great excitement and addressing the gentleman in the high chair, said, Mr. Limbkins, I beg your pardon, sir. Oliver Twist has asked for more. There was a general start. Horror was depicted on every countenance. For more, said Mr. Limbkins. Compose yourself, Bumble, and answer me distinctly. Do I understand that he asked for more after he had eaten the supper allotted by the board? He did, sir, replied Bumble. So actually, what Mr. Oliver has done, he had not done anything. Okay? The food which was getting served by Bumble, actually, fully they were sending to all the children. How sufficiently they can eat, they are sending it. But what he was doing, he was hiding half of the food. And what he was doing, they don't know. But to all the children, the food was not enough. And some children were starving, even though the food was not enough, even though they were scrubbing the copper plate and every point of the plate they were eating it. It's not it. Even they're adjusting like that. But when they were growing day by day, the food was not enough to them. So lastly, with the help of his friends had encouraged him to complain. So Oliver has done the dare to ask for more. Actually, Bumble did not serve enough food to them. Only simply, once only he had given the food, that is also the less quantity of food. Less quantity of food he gave, it is not enough to him. Not only to Oliver, to all the children also not enough. But on behalf of all the students, on behalf of all his friends, Oliver had come forward to go and ask. But that made that Bumble, that Oliver had opposed him. So he had taken Oliver to the board members. Oliver had stood before the board members. They were saying, what Bumble? He had taken the food, still he is asking for more. Bumble is saying, yes sir, we gave him much food, even though he was asking more. Much food they gave. They gave him full food. It is not much enough to them. Less food it was. That's why he asked for more. But the board was not able to hear the words of Oliver. The board was not ready to listen the words of Oliver. They were not willing to listen the words of Oliver. And the boy will be hung, said the gentleman in the white waistcoat. I know that the boy will be hung. Nobody contradicted a prophetic gentleman's opinion. An examination took place. Oliver was ordered into a constant confinement, and a bill was next morning pasted on the outside of the gate, offering a reward of £5 to anybody who would take Oliver Twist of the hands of the parish. In the other words, £5 and Oliver Twist were offered to any man or woman who wanted an apprentice to any trade, business or calling. So for that he asked food. He asked for food, just a little quantity of food. For that they said that he will be hung. he will be hung. Hung in the sense what? They kill him. That was the punishment. Then one of the board member had told, no, take the decision slowly. Then what, they had made him to be a instant confinement. Confinement in the sense, for some time he will be in one room. There will be like arrest. He will be like house arrest. No one will be, he will be alone. He will be alone, no food, nothing will be given to them. After some days, there was a notice at outside. There was a notice board at outside of the workplace. What they did, this boy will be rewarded for 5 pounds. Means they wanted to sell him. They wanted to sell Oliver to anybody. They wanted to sell him. Yeah, in those days, now for example, vacuum cleaner or washing machine, how we are buying it nowadays, in those days, in such countries, they used to buy the girls and boys like that. 5 pounds or 3 pounds means what? They should work under them like slaves for a long time. No, only food will be given. No salary, nothing. Yes, that system used to be in those days. 100% it was. So now Oliver also had been the same. First they thought that they will hang him. They wanted to hang him. But later on, they made him to be put into the house arrest for some time. Okay? And after that confinement, when it was clear, confinement means some days he was house arrested. He was house arrested like a prisoner. Confinement was given. After confinement, after some days, they declared him to sell for 5 pounds. If they will give 5 pounds, they will give this Oliver. Then they can do him trading, working in their house, or do whatever with him. They wanted to sell Oliver. See, this is the reward he got. Just if he asked food, for this what he got. That's why this lesson is Oliver asks for more. So an orphan, if he asks food also is a mistake, is a crime in those days. This is what the life of poor people students. Many days in news channels you see sometimes. Actually, there is a big, we can say that a scam. Even these orphans also is a big scam. For example, an orphan is there who lost his father and mother by cutting his legs, by cutting his hands, by making him put for a mafia used to be held on. I wouldn't say a team of members. They used to do a business also. This has also become a business. See how disgusting to share such feelings. An orphan boy, Oliver, when he will ask for more food, just he asks for more food, nothing else. That too, the food is in a form of liquid form only. If he'll ask for food, he will be hung, he will be sold, he will be like a prisoner. See, so poor man's hunger also is a crime. A poor man, he does not have a right to live on earth. A orphan, he does not have a right to live. See, this is what the nowadays situation is. It is worst, undescribable. We can't describe such situations. In this way they are going on. So students, be alert on every aspect. We are lucky. We are very pleasure to have our parents with us. Right? One second, one moment is a disgustable thing to imagine that how our life will be without our parents. But there are number of students, there are number of people who, of course, I am not blaming that. In these orphans also, some children will be with good qualities. Some children will be, they will lead such a life, they will work, they will go to school, they will do all these things because they don't have anybody, right? So a very strong desire in them will make them to do good things. A strong desire in them will make them to do very good things. It happens sometimes. Okay, here we had come to the end of our lesson. Your homework, you should complete the glossary and summary of 2A in classroom. As it is a routine one, again and again, I am giving you that as a part of homework. Personally and separately, I am not giving it students. We had come to the end of our lesson, so try to, this is what the end of our home is the best place for everyone. But homeless people, what will be the home? There will be no home to them. So just imagine, a boy, if he asks for food only, it is a crime those days. Realize it, value it. Value of parents. Okay. Thank you. Meet in our next class. Thank you so much.